Welcome to this Teams tutorial. This video will be on how to set your voicemail greeting. Teams does provide their own pre-system greeting, so it's a personal preference if you would like to record your own. On the top right corner of your screen where your initials are, click on the three dots and then Settings. On the left side of the pop-up, there will be a button for calls. Click on Configure Voicemail and then Record a Greeting. This will bring up an automated voice call. When prompted, press 2 on the dial pad, then 1 again, and record your greeting after the beep. When you're finished with your recording, press pound. If you're satisfied with the recording, press 1. If you'd like to re-record it, press 2. And if you decided you'd like to use the default Teams greeting, press 3. You can press star to leave at any point. All these dial pad instructions will be given by the automated voice call as well, but there you have it. Enjoy setting your voicemail greetings.